Good day, everybody, and welcome back. This week we're looking at the Norwegian Getaway, room 8138, on a cruise that we took in February of 2019. I like to show these rooms because every time I look for a room, I always look for something a little different. Last week you saw the Celebrity Equinox, the larger balcony, lower down, cheaper cabin. It's kind of the same this time. We're going to be looking for the room we had, which was on deck 8. Let's just go to cruise ships. Let's start here anyway. We'll go to cruise ships. We're looking down for the Getaway. Down here, Getaway, click on that. Before we go on, I'd like to invite you to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up if you like the channel. Here you can get to deck plans. Click on deck plans, and it usually opens, as it did this time, on deck 8, which is where we were, deck 8. Our room was 8138. Click on this, and I'll show you where it was. So this is the front of the ship. Coming down, you get to where the bump out is right here. Bumps out and then goes forward. These are actually really large balconies, a little more expensive. And then you see 8138 here, and it looks like there's no real difference in the balcony besides 8140 or 8142. But in actual fact, this balcony stands out quite a lot. Right there. Okay, the nice thing about this deck is, this is where the waterfront is. So the waterfront is the outside promenade, which goes around the entire ship, more or less the entire ship anyway. It goes all the way around the back and has restaurants and bars that basically go outside to an outdoor promenade where you can sit, enjoy the fresh air. You can eat outside, drink outside, whatever you want to do there. Ocean Blue has seating out there. The Sugar Cane Mojito Bar is seating out there. The Gelato is out there. Cagney's and Moderno also have seating outside too. It's actually really nice. It's a nice way to be connected to the water. The other things that are on here, like La Cucina, the Ice Bar, the Cigar Lounge, the Mojito Bar, the Raw Bar, Wasabi's, all the shopping. And then the Prime Meridian Bar, which is the bar between the two specialty dining restaurants. You see this open area right here. This is where the restaurant below is. You can actually look down into it. On Norwegian, they have their main promenade areas, or their entertainment areas, divided up into 6, 7, 8. So if you start down on 6 here, you'll see, as you can see on the right here, there's lots of bars and lounges there, along with the theater. And then deck 7, there's the same kind of thing. The theater, Oceans, which is open 24 hours, which is really excellent. If you want to grab a quick drink or a quick bite to eat any time of day, it's always there, and it's free. Complimentary, not free. The casino, I did find, goes throughout the whole ship. So you'll find the casino like in hallways, not just in the casino area. Like, it sort of spreads out. I guess it's their attempt to get people to gamble a little more, which doesn't bother me. I didn't find the smoke an issue, and I'm very sensitive to smoke. A couple lounges here too, and then this is all tied together with 2 atriums really. There's one in the middle, open to the deck below, it says right there. And then there's an atrium near Oceans, which is just on 6 and 7. It's not on 8, but the other atrium, the main atrium, is on 6, 7, and 8. And so we go back up to 8. And you can see how that all ties in right there. Okay, when navigating this site, you'll see all the restaurants. You can click on Ocean Blue. You can have a sample menu, Moderno's, Wasabi, etc. Cagney Steakhouse, etc., etc. And all the food on board was excellent, I might add. We had no issues. And if you go up to deck 9, above our room, you'll see there was nothing above it but other staterooms, so there was no noise up there at all. Nothing going on. Okay, enough of that. Let's get to the actual cabin. So before we do that, we'll go back. We'll just look at the staterooms real quick. We'll go to balconies. And I believe the category for that room was BF. So one of the lower priced staterooms. but basically the same as any of the ones above it. And the cabin layout, this was opposite to ours. We had the bed by the window and the couch by the closet. As you can see by the picture, this is your standard balcony stateroom. When they have these little cutaways, this is how you can tell where the bed is. So if you're looking on a floor plan and you see a cutaway like this, right here, that's where the bed is on the opposite cabin. So the cabin next door will have the bed there, and then the couch will be here. Okay, let's get out of here and let's get on with the video, shall we? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. See you next week.